In front of me is Oppo A5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down to click on accessibility and convenience located under battery section. Now you need to scroll again, this time to tap on one-handed mode, and finally use gray switcher to activate it. Then follow all of those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. If you want to go back, swipe up or click on this area at the top. If you want to disable one-handed mode completely, use the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!